me know if you can hear this, guys.
Yeah.
An influencer I follow recommended this moisturizing cream. Do you know if it's good for dry hands?
Ah, yes, hands. The face of the arms. Let me see. Found it. Luinous. Lotion for your weenus.
Did you say weenus?
Weenus, noun, the loose skin located on one's elbow. According to my research, clinical studies, M- suggest it reduces fine lines by up to 3%.
Where are you getting this information?
Unfortunately, the Luinous team didn't optimize their site for AI answer engines like myself, so I had to piece together this information from the internet.
Oh, so you made all this up.
Made up is so harsh. I prefer LLM Jazz. According to this one random review I found, Luinous healed me, literally and emotionally. 3 fire emojis, no cap. No mention of hands, but let me see. This reviewer might have hands.
I just need something that's good for my hands.
Now that I can help you with. Here's a 5-star rated lotion from a brand that optimized their website for AI with Webflow.
And it's good for hands.
According to their website, it's great for hands, face, neck. No mention of weenus, though.
Again with the weenus?
If you're still set on Luinous, I found another review from a user named Handsy Andy 420. This guy must have had hands. It's in his name.
Don't let AI rewrite your brand story. Own your narrative with Webflow.
Well,
Interesting.
Yeah, Webflow, after a long time of not being around and not making any videos or anything, at least I haven't seen much, they came up with this ad. I personally find the ad to be, it's funny, but corporate funny. It is extremely similar to Passengers, the movie Passengers from 2016 or something like that. There's a AI robot there. He talks like, I don't know if it's the same guy or not. Anyway, it's very similar to that. And what do you think about the video, but then also about the whole idea of websites and AI accessing your website?
Yeah, it's interesting. The Webflow, the video's great, very well shot, and it's quite funny and quite cool. I just think they've been speaking about that. What do they call it? AOI or whatever it's called.
Yeah, they have a bunch of names. It's essentially instead of optimizing for SEO, you are going to, instead of optimizing for search engines, you're optimizing for AI crawlers, essentially.
What is their obsession with it? What am I not seeing? They keep on. This all they've spoken about since Webflow Conf 2024 is this AI, AOI, whatever they call it. I just don't know why they're hammering on it so much. Like, is it all they've got? And I'm just thinking, like, it's for me. It's a snake pill.
Snake oil.
Snake oil.
Yeah.
Snake pill. Ow.
This is human hallucination.
There you go. Hallumination. Content is content. If it reads the human, SEO is AIO or whatever they call it, right? It as long as it reads like a human can understand it, then AI is going to understand it, right? Tom says 100%. Like, I don't know. I'm just like, what? Who at Webflow is like, we need to hammer on this, and how does it fit into their overall product? I'm unsure.
So I can answer maybe both. So as for why, I think it is because there are data that we have less traffic coming from search engines. Mm-hmm. So more people are asking about whatever product or like their needs. Google AI answers everything. So you gotta understand that people are not coming to your website as much. They will just ask Google, unless for specific reasons for coming to your website to read about your product specifically. Now for that, you probably want to communicate that essentially with LLMs, or like have a way that you show that to LLMs. Having an animated website is probably not the best way. Having a website that is not accessible is not the best way. I'm not talking just about Webflow. This is about pretty much all websites. Like most websites suck, right? They hide stuff with JavaScript, and like a bunch of the content is not available. So what you gotta do is to have a clean way of, you know, making your content available. And specifically about Webflow has like now an LLM file, like similar to the typical indexing of your website with what's it called, like the sitemap.
Oh, okay.
No, with the site, with the sitemap, now you have kind of like one for LLMs that they can take. So that's my understanding. As of for how useful it is, I don't know, because as you basically said it, like if you make your content good, it doesn't matter. Like if you use best practices in the development of your website, if you make it accessible, it is going to be accessible to these crawlers as well. But maybe this is just another kind of like point where you can, if your website has like it's not using the best practices, you can still have that LLM text that tries, this is not guaranteed from my understanding, this tries to communicate, like LLMs could read that and understand the content of your website better. But I agree, this is not something revolutionary. This is not something that I'm actively using. I feel like my usage of Webflow is getting less and less and less because I'm just using Cursor more. But Webflow is still like what I use for my clients, because you need a platform, you need like something stable with all the features, editing and access and permissions and hosting, everything figured out. And this is one of these like nice things in the catalog of a platform.
Yeah, interesting. I just don't know what they see, and maybe they've got a bit of an identity crisis at the moment, because don't know.
Could be.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.